How many people do you know that are on the internet? And how many of those people do searches on Google, Yahoo, or other major search engines to find the best price on products? It's a fact that over 65% of consumers today search the internet to find the best prices on products they want to buy. Yet, only 10% of retail sales were made online last year. According to Forrester Research, that 10% amounts to $130 billion in purchases done over the net. But over $320 billion was spent in advertising on the World Wide Web last year, promoting both online and offline products and services. This online advertising influenced a whopping $3 trillion in consumer purchases. Now, what does that tell you? Many more people use the web to find the best values on products than those who actually buy online. In fact, one of the fastest growing trends today is using the internet to advertise and drive traffic to local businesses. What if you and I had the opportunity to get a piece of that $320 billion online pie, which is projected to grow to over $500 billion this year? Now, you may be saying, but wait, I don't even know enough about technology or advertising to do something like that. What if I told you we had a patented application on a Microsoft platform that rode on top of Google, Yahoo, and the major search engines that automatically finds the best prices on any product, both on the internet and the consumer's local area, saving people not only money, but the huge amount of time it takes to find those deals? Better yet, what if we could get a license to give that application away for free and get paid affiliate income on the clicks that those people did in the process of finding those best prices? And if you're a really serious entrepreneur, what if the company behind this allowed you to develop a distribution force of licensees that give away millions of these free applications and paid you handsome commissions, overrides, and bonuses to do so? If you're looking to truly improve or even transform your financial situation, as most people today are, chances are I've caught your attention. There's a huge window of opportunity open right now, and you're in a position to profit tremendously from it. See, when consumers go online and do a search to find the best price on a product through Google or any of the major search engines, what they get is a listing of the pages of the vendors that sell that product or service, which can potentially be several million. The first results that appear on the left side of the search pages are the ones who know how to optimize search engine results to get more hits, not those who have the lowest prices. The ones who appear on the right side are really paid ads by companies willing to pay the search engine every time someone clicks on their ad. To really find the best price takes hours of research, digging through those links to find the real best prices, which are usually found 10 or 15 or even more pages deep in the search results, which the average person never even gets to. So most people not only waste a tremendous amount of time researching, but also wind up not getting the best price to boot. MyNet Universe has developed a revolutionary patented application called My Shopping Genie that rides on top of these search engines and does the heavy lifting for you by finding the best prices at major retailers and wholesalers, both on the web and in physical locations. This not only saves you money, but also a tremendous amount of time. And after all, time is money, right? In fact, the average family saves between $200 to $300 per month using this incredible free application. Now, you as a licensee earn affiliate income when someone you give a free genie to does a search to find something they wish to purchase and clicks on the various purchase options. The clicks represent income to you. The average person does 88 searches per month, and as they click and click to look at the deals, you get paid over and over and over again. Additionally, the serious entrepreneurs have the ability to build teams of licensees to give away thousands of free Genie applications and get paid lucrative team-building commissions, overrides, and even share in company bonus pools for building organizations that simply, and I know this seems hard to believe, give away free applications that generate millions of dollars in affiliate click income. It's really as simple as that. You give away genies and receive affiliate click income on the searches done by the people you gave the genies to. If you decide to build sales teams, you teach them to give genies away and generate team-building commissions and bonuses for doing so. And if you build a big enough organization that does large sales volumes, you even get to participate in bonus pools on company-wide click income and revenues. Quite frankly, there is no better way in the world for the average person to generate several hundred or several $1,000s per month, or even create a 6- or 7-figure income by taking part in the biggest gold rush of our times, online advertising. I truly hope you see the potential we see in this incomparable opportunity and choose to participate with us in one of the greatest redistributions of wealth the world has ever seen. We look forward to meeting you personally in the near future and wish you the success, wealth, and happiness that you deserve.